Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Toncoin, and then we'll end it with Dogecoin at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. So if you look very carefully, Bitcoin's bullish buying pressure has already returned. Ta-da! And there's a very strong buying pressure, which is good, which is something that we want to see. Right, the start of the week, we've already started a very strong rally. I don't know what the German government is doing, selling all their bitcoins, but hey. So that's why previously we were anticipating this to happen, you see. We were anticipating a very nice ABCDE. Actually, a lot of other people, I've been following a lot of other Twitter accounts as well, and they were expecting this to happen, right? But yeah, trading is not so easy. So a lot of people, right, got stopped out here and also here. The German government sold it all the way down and cleared everybody. And now we are on our way back up. Absolute best case scenario is, if you look very carefully, there is a swing high over here, right? So if we could take this out, right, best case scenario, take this out, this will confirm a potential bullish continuation of the entire move here, right? Break here. You could go all the way here, but I don't. I would prefer it to retrace a little bit, go a bit higher, get ourselves a very nice right shoulder over here, left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, woohoo! And then BTC hits higher. Previously, we actually had a target for BTC at around 90k, right? Based on this chart pattern potential, but since we have already dropped lower, this means that potentially we could go higher than 90,000, which means that if we get what we are expecting to get, which is an inverse head and shoulders, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to blow past 90k. The target that we have, if this happens, right, the target that we have is actually 95k. Woohoo! This is just like an arrow that's being pulled back, right? And then you release it, poof, it flies. Imagine that instead of pulling it to your shoulders, right, you're pulling it even further back, right? Can you see it? You're pulling it even further back, and then once you release, it flies even further. So that's what's happening to BTC at the moment. I mean, of course, if we start the sling shot of the arrow. So yeah, so we're monitoring this level very closely. By next week, we should have an answer for it, but things are already turning bullish, right? And if you were to look at the monthly, it feels like we're getting a monthly hammer. Monthly hammers are very, 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 very powerful. And not many coins have, taken out the highs and go into price discovery. Only Bitcoin. Okay, there are a few others as well. Toncoin is, but Bitcoin is looking pretty good, right? We want to clear the highs first, see some sort of a consolidation, retrace, before continuing higher, which is the same thing which we are expecting over here, right? Take out the highs over here, may hang around here if you want to, but retrace, continue higher. Yeah, something like what's happening over here, like what we're expecting. You get what I'm saying, right? We took out these highs, we mark around before continuing higher. So take out these highs, mark around, continue higher. That's the best bullish thing to happen for BTC. Ethereum against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum. Anything for Ethereum? Ethereum is in some sort of a consolidation again. It looks like we could be forming an ABCD over here. Breakout! Yes, no? I don't know. We could still draw a bit lower. Get an inverse head and shoulders before breaking higher. Right. This is still a possibility. So as it stands, we are still under the skinny pink line on the daily for ETH. So we're expecting... yeah, I mean, the best thing that could happen is we zip higher, break above the skinny pink line, consolidate around here before continuing higher. Best thing that could happen for ETH, but we're not too sure though at this point of time, so we're gonna have to take things slowly for ETH against USD. Ethereum is also coming back to life. On Ethereum USD, we have already swept the lows here and here, right? We have also swept these lows with this one move down. Thanks, Germany. And after that, now we're up. So are we going to get an inverse head and shoulders? I don't know what the German government is doing, but anyway. Inverse head and shoulders, yes, no? Something like BTC as well? But the difference between Ethereum and BTC is we are not in price discovery yet. We have not taken out the highs yet. So again, just like BTC, best case scenario is we take out the highs, right? We have a small little retrace before continuing higher, right? Truth be told, Ethereum's target is at around 9,000, which means that if things go the way we expect it to, we're expecting Ethereum to head up to 9,000. I know it's bananas, right? So again, we're still not really sure though. We could already be completing a very nice 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we may not take out the highs, right? There could be strong resistance over here. And then Ethereum could be pulled lower. This is still a possibility. So again, we're still not entirely sure. The chart patterns have not been nice. The whales have not been kind to us. So yeah, but this is Ethereum. BNB against BTC. BNB is still above the skinny pink line, but we continue to form mountains, which I don't really like. Mountain, 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 mountain. Are we going to head lower? It's very tricky. We're already above the skinny pink line. And this counts as a consolidation, which means that there is a possibility that BNB could do something like this. Right? Drop lower, clear the lows, push higher. Drop lower, clear the lows, push higher. It breaks the chart pattern, but the trend continues. See, so we look at the skinny pink line. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain for bullish bias. Sure, things may look bearish, and sure, we could hit lower, but technically, we're still in a bullish trend, and we are anticipating BNB to continue higher. BNB BTC. BNB USDT, probably this could coincide with CZ's release from prison, right? So again, I'm not too sure. Anyway, for BNB, we have big targets over here at yo, bro. Oh my god. Hang on. Oh my god. I've already gotten it. Sorry about that. Okay, we got it. Where were we? Okay, so for BNB, yeah, we're expecting 1240 and 1566. So yeah, hopefully we get a very nice chart pattern over here. Something that we can put on a trade off, right? So yeah, that's BNB for you. Again, we're above the skinny pink line. As long as we're above it, we remain for bullish bias. And BNB has already taken out the highs. The absolute high over here. So this is a new all-time high. So again, best thing is we take out the highs, come back down, muck around a little bit before continuing higher. This could be the start of wave 2. As we go up for a wave 3. And then a wave 4. And then we go for a wave 5. $2,000! Potentially. Again, we'll take things one step at a time. It does have potential, but we still need to see the chart pattern appear first. Who knows that we might be getting, mountains instead of a nice bullish continuation. So it all depends upon the BNB whales. Sol against BTC. Here we are for Sol. Sol is, again, we are not in price discovery yet. There's an all-time high over here. Strong resistance at 0.0044, somewhere around there. This looks like a symmetrical triangle. Continuation. Zip higher. Very likely. So is this a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Right, this whole thing is a wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then another one, wave 5. That's it. We come back down. We're not too sure. Again, we're still above the skinny pink line. We remain for bullish bias for Sol BTC. Sol USDT, we were actually anticipating the possibility of a mountain range over here, right? How will this turn bullish? Yeah, go back up towards the resistance, right? A, B, C, D, E, pump. We go higher. Sol, again, still has not taken out the highs over here. So, we would have preferred Sol to take out these highs first, right? And then we have this chart pattern that is forming, right, to be higher, right? Take out the highs and then form the chart pattern here above the highs here. But we're still below. So there is danger that we could still head lower. In a sense that we break higher, but we don't break out from the highs over here. We don't form new all-time highs. We come back down. This whole thing could be a head and shoulders. You see the danger? So we need to clear the highs first. So that's the, yeah, that's Solana for you. To be honest, actually, we have another target for Solana, which is close to about 800 bucks. But I don't see the chart pattern taking us to 800 yet. So yeah, I mean, we might do something like this though. Absolute bananas to 800. But as it stands, yeah, we'll take things one step at a time, right? We want to see a hit of the resistance first. Hit resistance, come back down. Form a wave E, right? A, B, C, D, E. And then only we consider the breakout. Because again, this could also turn into a descending triangle. So we are kind of at a fork for Solana. Is it bullish or bearish? Is it bullish or bearish? Anatoly! Moving on would be XRP. What's up, Brett? XRP against BTC. So XRP, BTC. Again, let me just remind you. Every week, I'm just going to keep reminding you. Big bearish chart pattern. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but this very, very big head and shoulders. Absolute gigantic. Right. And the target is the bottom of this. It's very, very low. But anyway, of course, I will be more than happy to be wrong. Right. Most money is made going long rather than going short. Because when you go short, the maximum that you can make is 99%. When you go long, okay, long, there's just no limit, right? You can make 2,000, 3,000%. So that's why most money is made in the long. So I would prefer to go long, to be honest, if possible. But hey, we will take what the charts give us. Anyway, for XRP against BTC, on the daily, right, we could see some sort of a rally. Going back to the weekly, it's very important that if XRP has any sort of a rally, we break above the skinny pink line. We have to break above the skinny pink line and consolidate above it. Right. This is step one for us to flip bullish for XRP BTC. Otherwise, XRP BTC could go the fate of Litecoin, where it just, drops into irrelevance. So yeah, is there a possibility we turn bullish? Yes, of course. We could be going close to the skinny pink line here, right? There could be some sort of a rally over here. The rally might come as a, I don't know, 100% rally, right? XRP USD will be reflected. You will see the 100% rally as we go higher, right? Anyway, we had a target over here at 22 cents, right? We take out these highs, we will consider these two targets to be invalidated, right? Take out the highs, just have to take out the highs. There's a sudden buying pressure coming in for XRP, which means that potentially XRP could switch bullish, but as it stands, we're still under the skinny pink line. So we remain with our bearish bias for XRP. So best bullish case is we take out these highs, right? So higher, or even take out these highs would be the best. And then we reconsolidate around here. Above the skinny pink line, we continue higher. Let me paint you a picture of the potential bullishness. Bullish, the bulla theory for XRP. Okay. So XRP, obviously, if you look at the big picture, we are in some sort of a squeeze, right? So the anticipation is for XRP to break higher, right? A, B, we could already be done with a C. D, this whole thing could be an E, right? So if we were to pull, okay, this is a bit off. So A, B, right? Let's assume that this is a wave C, right? This falling channel is a wave C, right? And then after that, this could be a wave E. You see this? A, B, C, D, E. Breakout. You see that? This would be awesome though. This is the bullish case, bulla. The bullish case for XRP, right? And if we were to see a breakout to take out these highs, right? Of course, we are also always anticipating a consolidation. We have to take out these highs, right? After we take out these highs, we consolidate a little bit more, right? And after that, a breakout higher. How much higher? We're anticipating close to 10 bucks, right? So if this really does happen, the level that we get off is around 6 bucks. 50 cents to 6 bucks is, drumroll please, 1,000%. 1,000. This is XRP's potential. Going back to the past, right? There was also a squeeze over here. You see this? A, B, C, D, E. It's not so obvious, you see. It's not so obvious. but it's still a squeeze nevertheless. Big accumulation. What happened? Oh, we went bananas. Right? How high was it? 112,000%. Brett Garlinghouse became a billionaire. Again, this looks the same to me, right? This looks like a consolidation as well. Accumulation, consolidation, yeah. And we're anticipating a breakout. A repeat of what happened over here in 2017. Bananas. So we're also expecting bananas. But because this is the second move, I don't expect it to be as crazy as this, right? So realistically, double digits. I don't think we're gonna hit double digits immediately though. So yeah, the target that we have is $6. But again, we are not gonna have the target yet. We'll cross the bridge when the time comes, because we are aware that things could still turn bearish for XRP, right? Toncoin, Ton against USDT. If you look at Toncoin, we still have big targets for Toncoin at $13.50. We're only at 750, so there's still another almost 100% more to go. 80%. What's happening for Toncoin at the moment? Mucking around. The Toncoin whales are mucking around. But I don't like what I see because this is a higher high. Although we don't see the bearish sharp pattern yet, but this whole thing could turn into a ending fifth wave. I don't really like it, but we'll see how it goes. We're still above the skinny pink line, right? Look at this. Very strong rally. So momentum is still towards the upside to $13.50. But the only thing is that from a trading standpoint, I just don't see the chart pattern yet. So yeah, it's a no-go for us. It's a no-go for us for Toncoin. Dogecoin! So Elon Musk has things happening behind the background. As in, they already got money transmitting licenses, and he's a big supporter of Dogecoin. And if and when Twitter, he said he would integrate Dogecoin, right, into payments, even when it goes live for X, and when Dogecoin comes into the picture, we're also expecting bananas for Dogecoin, right? But as it stands at the moment, we still don't see the move yet. So there is nothing much that we can do for Dogecoin BTC at the moment. We are aware that things could still hit lower because there's a noisy area over here. So potentially a little bit lower. Hundreds, in the hundreds. We're 189 right now. 120, 110, sub 100, 90. Again, we're not entirely sure. So as it stands, we'll have to take things one step at a time for Dogecoin BTC. Against USD, I also do not like it that we're touching the skinny pink line. The all-time high is at 70 cents or 11 cents. Sure, things could turn bullish here. Right, this could become a falling channel and we could still break higher. But we're under the skinny pink line and I don't like this. But we'll see how it goes first though. If things start turning bullish, then sure, we will, derive targets from the chart pattern that is painted by the Dogecoin whales. But as it stands, yeah, no. It's not really looking good. To me, it looks like mountains. I need to start seeing valleys. Valleys first. Where is the valley? Where is the valley? There's a valley here. Valley 1, valley 2. Right. So where is the valley? All I see is mountain 1, mountain 2, mountains. So if you go up here, good. First valley. Second valley, right? Third valley. Okay, great. Ascending triangle. We can take trades for it. But as it stands, yeah, we don't see it yet. So we're going to have to be patient and to wait for the Dogecoin whales to do their thing. Alright, boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!